Hello friends, welcome back to the my new video guys and my YouTube channel guys. Today guys we are going to talk about guys Redmi phone accessibility setting, and today video title is guys how to turn on power button to end call setting. Friends, you want to enable your power button to end call setting. So how to enable power button to end call on Redmi mobile. In this video friends we will talk about one by one and step by step. So before starting video friends, first of all go and subscribe the channel guys, click the bell icon, like the video guys. Friends, open your Redmi phone setting. After on phone setting friends, you can see this type interface on your Redmi mobile. Friends, click on Redmi mobile additional setting. After on additional setting friends, click here accessibility setting. After on accessibility friends, click here vision setting. If you want vision setting, so friends you can on talkback, you can use talkback. Friends, you want to use select to speak setting shortcut, so you can use display size. Friends, you want to change, you can change display size from here. High contrast text, you want to on your high contrast text, you can on, you can off. So friends, click here hearing setting, mono audio setting, we can on from here. Audio balance guys, right side you can increase and left side you can decrease. Then click here switch access setting, you want to switch access on your Redmi phone device, so you can on, you can use it. Then you can see power button and call setting is here. So friends, you want to on your Redmi phone power button to end call. So friends, you can cut your call, press your power button and you can cut call. And friends, you can see auto rotate screen setting is also here. Friends, you want to rotate your Redmi phone screen, you can rotate. Friends, you can see large mouse cursor setting is here, you can on, you can off your large mouse cursor. And friends, you don't want to cut call, press power button setting, so you can turn off from here. So like that friends, you can on and you can use your power button to end call setting on Redmi mobile. So bye friends, thanks for watching the video guys.